Okay, in this video, we are going to solve practice question for indices. So remember, if the base are the same, so we just need to addition the indices. So we got x power of 4 plus 6 and then y 1 plus 2 divided by x power of 4 and then y power of 5. So this will give us answer of x power of 10 multiplied by y power of 3 divided by x 4 y power of 5. So this is x 10 minus 4 and then y 3 minus 5 is equal to x power of 6 and then y power of minus 2. Minus, let us make it positive. So it's going to be a fraction x power of 6 divided by y power of 2. Next, this also do the same thing. Coefficient with the coefficient. 2 times 3 is 6. And then x power of 2 times power of 3. And then y power of 4 times with y, then divided by 2x y power of 4. So this will give us answer of 6 x power of 5 y power of 5 again, and then divided by 2x y power of 4. Okay, 6 divided by 2 is gonna be 3, and then x power of 5 minus 1, then y power of 5 minus 4. The final answer gonna be 3x power of 4 and then y power of 1, or we don't have to write it. Next for C. So we can skip through the process. So look at here, 2, we can simplify 2 divided by 2. Okay, there it is. So the number is 2 and then over by 3. So x power of 5 times x is gonna be x power of 6, and then y power of 4 times y power of 3 is gonna be y power of 7, and then down, let's make it x power of 2 times x power of 2 is gonna be x power of 4, and then y power of 8. Okay, so this will give us the answer of 3x. We simplify it, all of them we divided by x power of 4, so this is gonna be only 2, and then y only, because all of them we divided by y power of 7, we simplify it. Next, look at here, x with x, so it's gonna be x power of 5, and then y power of 7 plus 8 is gonna be 15, divided by x power of 4 and then y power of 5. This will give us the answer of x y power of 10. Okay, next question. 2. Okay, we can simplify 2 divided by 2 is 1. So 10 and 5 we simplify it each. We divide by 2. So this is 5 and over 2. So for the number 5 over 2. So let's working on the letter. So x power of 7 plus 8 is gonna be power of 15, and then y power of 6, because y2 power of 2 times y power of 4. Down the denominator, so this is x power of 6 and then y power of 9. So this is left. For the x, we divide by x power of 5. So this is going to be 5x power of 9. And then 3. Okay, this is we divide by y power of 6. So this will give us the answer of y power of 3. Okay, there it is. Okay, next. Division. Remember, if division, we need to flip the fraction. So before we flip, we can simplify it for the left side. So this is gonna be x power of 5 and then y power of 4 multiplied by x power of 5y divided by x 3 power of y square. So let's solve this one. It's gonna be x 5 and then y 4 we multiplied by x power of 2 and then y power of -1. So this final answer is gonna be x power of 7 and then y power of 3. Next for G. Okay, division. So this we need to flip. So before we flip, okay, we can flip it now. So it's gonna be 10 x power of 5 y power of 2 divided by 9 x power of 6 and then y power of 6 multiply by 5 x power of 7 and y power of 4 divided by 3x power of 3 and then y. Let's find it. Can we simplify it? So 10 times 5 is gonna be 50. 9 times 3 is gonna be 27. Okay, let's talk about the letter. So we got x 5 power of 5 and x power of 7, which will give us the answer of x power of 12 and then y power of 6. For the numerator it's gonna be x power of 9 and then y power of 7. Okay, let's finalize it. So 50x only 3 remaining and then 27 only y. For H. So let's simplify it for the left side while we are writing. So it's gonna be 7 and then over 5, y only 2 remaining and then x power of 2 multiplied by 7 and then x power of 5 and then y power of 3. We divided by 5 and then x power of 6 and then y power of 3. So this will give us the answer of 49 x power of 5 and then y power of 3 divided by 5 times 5, which is 25, and then the letter x squared with x power of 7, sorry, x power of 6 is gonna be x power of 8, y squared and y cubed is gonna be y power of 5. So let's simplify it. X with x, y with y. 49 is, we cannot make it anything. So 49, this is 25. So this x will remaining 3 here and y remaining 2. Next for the I. Okay, raise power. So this will be x power of 10, then y power of 2 multiplied by x power of 6 and then y power of 4 times 2, 8. We divided by x power of 3, rise again by power of 3 is going to be power of 9 and then y also power of 9. Okay, after we simplify it all together, the power with multiplication, remember, with addition, if division, we make it minus. So for the I, the final answer is going to be x power of 7 and then y power of 1, which is, we don't have to write it. Next, okay, this is multiplication x, not as a letter. So next 2 power of 3 is going to be 8. And then x power of 4 raised again by power of 2 is going to be x power of 12 and then y power of 6 multiplied by x power of 8 and then y power of 8. We divide by y power of 9, x power of 6. This is, okay, look at this. 3 is not inside the bracket, outside. So we can just write it 3 and then x power of 4 and then y power of 2. Okay, after we simplify it, remember the same base. If multiplication, just addition the indices. If division, just minus the indices. So for the G, it will get answer of 8, x power of 10, y power of 3 divided by 3. K. Okay, raise again. So x 2 times 3 is 6, power of y 4 power again by 3 is gonna be 12. Multiplication with x power of 5 squared is gonna be x power of 10 divided by y power of 4. This will give us the answer of x power of 16 divided by y also power of 16. Okay, this is the last question for number 2. So power of 3. So 5 cube is going to be 125. And then x 3 times 3 is 9. And then y power of 6 divided by 4x power of 7, y power of 6 divided. So we can flip. So this will give us the answer of 125, x power of 6, y power of 8 divided by 8, x power of 2, y power of 3. After we multiply it, so it will give us the answer of 3125, x4 and then y power of 2 divided by 16. Okay, this for the number 2. Simplify each expression and give your answer using positive indices only. Okay, let's do it. X with x is gonna be x power of 8 because 5 minus by minus 3 is gonna be 8. And then y minus 4 minus by 2 is minus 2. Okay, let's make it positive. So it's gonna be 8 power of x divided by y power of 2. Okay, multiplication. So let's do step by step. Left side. So it's gonna be x power of minus 4 minus 2 is gonna be minus 6. And then y, this is became 4. Multiplication with x power of 7 minus by minus 4 is gonna be 11. And then y minus 5 minus 3 is gonna be minus 8. So multiplication is gonna be x minus 6 plus 11, which is gonna be 5, and then y is gonna be minus 4. So this minus 4, let's make it positive indices. It's gonna be x power of 5 divided by y power of 4. Next for the C. Okay, power raised again by the power. So it's gonna be 8 to power of 3, and then x power of minus 9, y power of minus 3 divided by y power of 4, and then x power of minus 2 times 2 minus by 4. So it will give us answer of 8. For the x, minus 9 minus by 4 is going to be x minus 5. And then for the y, minus 3 minus 4 is going to be minus by 7. So to make it positive, this has to be 8 over x power of 5 and then y power of 7. Next for the D. Okay, here just find the reciprocal, which is y power of 3 divided by x. Divide multiplication, just flip. It's going to be y minus 3 over x power of 8. So this is going to be y power of 0 equal to by x power of 9. Or 1 over x power of 9. Remember, everything power by 0 equal to 1. Next, so this is x power of minus 10 divided by y minus 4 power again by 2 is going to be minus 8 divided, so it's going to be multiplication. Okay, because before we flip and then we flip again, so just write it by y power of 2 times 4 is 8, and then x 2 times 4 is 12. So this will give us the answer of, so it's gonna be, okay, y power of 16 divided by x power of 2. That's for the F. Power we raise again. So this is gonna be x power of 8 and then y power of minus 2 divided by x power of 10 and then y power of minus 6. We multiplication by x minus 4 and then y minus 12 over, this is out of the bracket, so we don't have to make it. So this is 2. Okay, minus 2. Just flip. It's going to be up here. It's going to be x power of 2 and then y power of 6. So for the f, it will give us the answer of how many y are there is, okay, y, okay, sorry, y power of 22 divided by 2 x power of 4. Okay, number 3, we have to simplify it. So the same base for the 3, so 1 over 4 times plus 1 over cosine of x, 1 over 2, and then x, okay, 1 over 3 plus by 1 over 4. It will give us the answer of x power of 8 over 15. Next, minus. So this is x 1 over 2 minus by 1 over 3, which will give us the answer of x power of x power of 1 over 6. Next, power with power. So x 1 over 3 times 1 over 3 is 1 over 9. So 64 power of 1 over 2, we can rewrite as square root of 64. And then x 6 times 1 over 2. So this will give us the answer of 8x power of 3. Next, so this is cube root of 8 and then x 9 times 1 over 3 and then y times 1 over 3 will give us the answer of 2x power of 3 and then y power of 1 over 3. Okay, here we can simplify it. So this x gonna be power of 1 over 2 and then y power of 8 over 2, or we can rewrite as x 1 over 2 and y power of 4. Okay, raise. So x 6 times 1 over 2, which is 3, and then y 2 power of 1 over 2, which is gonna be y. Next question. So x 1 over 2 times 8 is gonna be 4, multiplied by x squared divided by x power of 3. So this will give us the answer of x power of 3. Next, for the g, power by 1 over 3. So x power of 2 and then y only, and then multiplication by x power of minus 4, y power of minus 5. So it will this together for the g is x power of minus 2, y power of minus 4. Or we can write as 1 over x squared, y power of 4. Okay, go on. So this is x power 1 over 2, y 3 over 2. We multiply it by x 1 over 2 and then y 1 over 2 divided by x y power of 4, which will give us the answer of y power of minus 2, or we can rewrite as 1 over y squared. Okay, this is simplified. Okay, x 2 power of 3, we multiplication again by 1 over 2. So this will give us answer of x 1 over 3 multiplication by x divided by x 2 over 3. So this answer is gonna be x power of 2 over 3. Next, for b. this carefully. 5 over 2 times 3 over 5. So which give us the answer of x? 3 over 2. And then multiply it by x over x or power of 1 over 2. Which will give us the answer of x power of 2. Next for the C. Okay, this is x 1 over 4 and then y only multiplication by x power of negative 1 over 4 and then y 4 over 3. This is will give us the answer. Oh, look at that. It's gonna be 1, it's gonna be y over 7 over 3. Next for the D, it's quite be careful. So power of 2 over 3 times by 4. So it's gonna be x 8 over 3 and then y 4 over 3. Then this multiplication by x 1 over 3 and then y 2 over 3 divided by x y squared. So after we calculate it carefully, the answer is gonna be x squared. Next for E. Okay, so let's write it y 1 over 3 divided by x 1 over 2. Okay, this is gonna be multiplication and flip. So this is gonna be x 3 over 2 and then y 2 divided by x 1 over 4 and y 1 over 3. This will give us the answer of x power of 3 over 4 and y power of 2. And this is the last question. Okay, this is still x power of 1 over 4 and then y power of 3 over 2 multiplication by x power of 1 over 4 and then y power of 3 over 16 divided by x power of 3 over 4 y power of 2 over 4 or 1 over 2. Remember, if the base are the same x with x, we can addition the power. If the base are the same like y divided by y, we can just minus it the power. So this will give us the answer of x power of minus 1 over 4 and y minus by 29 over 26 or 1 over x power of 1 over 4 and y power of 29 over 26. There it is. Thank you.